Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about the outer joining in SQL Server. In outer joining we can display all the records from the first table and matching record from the second table, and if the record not match in the second table it will place the null value. You can also display all the records from the second table and matching from the first table, and if record not match into the first table it will place the null value. There are three types of outer joining: left outer joining, right outer joining and full outer joining. In left outer joining it will display all the records from the first table and matching records from the second table and place the null value. In right outer joining it will display all the records from the second table and matching from the first table. If not match it will place the null value. In the full outer joining it is the mix up of the right and left outer joining. Let's see with practical example here. I am going to use the database Abhi here. Use Abhi and press F5 to execute the query. Next I will create a flight table. Create table flight with the three columns: F code, flight code as a int, F source as a varchar 30, and F destination as a varchar 30. Select it and execute it. The flight table successfully created here. Next I need to insert some records inside the flight table, so I write here the query: insert into flight values, flight code as a 1 and source as a Delhi, destination as a Mumbai. Okay, and select the query and execute it. Next I will copy this and paste here. Given here the flight code as a 2, flight source as a Mumbai to Goa, and execute it again, paste it. Third record, flight code as a 3 and flight source as a Gorakhpur and destination as a Mumbai. Select it and execute it. Again paste it and flight code as a 4, Delhi to USA. Okay, select it and execute it. Okay, I have successfully inserted 4 records inside the flight table. Okay, select star from T and execute this query. Display all the records from the flight table. Okay, next I need to create another table. From this table I want to use the outer joining from the flight table, so right here create table reservation with the 2 columns. We need a common column within the both table, so I am going to create a common column within the both tables as a F code, flight code. Right here Right here is a F code int, and number of seat as int. Select it and execute it. Okay, command successfully run. And next I will insert some record inside the reservation. Insert into reservation values, and right here the flight code as a 1 and number of seat as 100. Select it and execute it. Okay, one record, insert it, copy it and paste it. Right here 2 and number of seat as a 200. Select it and execute it. Next, flight code as a 3, number of seat as a 300. Select and execute it. Okay, and right here the query, select star from reservation to display all the records from the reservation. Look here, the flight code as a 1, 2, 3 and number of seat as a 100, 100, 200 and 300. Okay, next I need to write the joining query here. So first of all, I am going to display all the records from the first table and matching from the second table using the left outer join. For this, just right here, select right here the table name flight dot F code, which column you want to display in the query. Right here F flight dot F source. I also want to display the source. Flight dot F destination means I want to display all the columns from the first table, and reservation dot number of seat and the number of seat from the reservation table. Then right here the from, and right here the table name as a flight. Write the first table name here, flight, and next right here the on, sorry, right here the flight left outer join as a reservation. Then right here on which column? We have a common column F code, so just write here the flight dot F code equal reservation dot F code, and select it and execute it. Look here the output. It will display all the records from the first table and matching from the second table. The ID 1, 2, 3 match with the reservation table, so it will display the number of seat 100, 200 and 300. But the table reservation have not ID flight code as a 4, so it will place the null. Okay, and just write here, right, it will display all the records from the reservation table and matching from the flight table. Press F5. Look here, the reservation have 3 records, flight code as a 1, 2 and 3. All the code match with the first table, so it will display the matching, and it will not show here the 4th flight code because there is no flight code F code in the reservation. Just I am going to insert a record, insert into reservation values 5 and number of seat as 200. Execute it. Okay, and again execute this query. Look here, the flight code 5 does not match with the flight code of the flight table, so it will place the null value, right? And you can also use the full outer joining. Just write here full and select it. It is the mix up of the right and left. Look here, the fourth code, flight code, does not match with the reservation table flight code, so it will place the null. And the fifth flight code, means flight code 5, does not match with the flight table reservation, means the 5 flight code of the reservation table does not match with the flight code of the flight table, so it will place the null value. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks a lot. I think all the codes is clear.